Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week we're on Chapter 11, Sexuality, Contraception, and Reproductive Organs. Guys, this is one of those chapters where for a lot of students they're happy that this is a online course rather than face-to-face, because by the nature of these topics, of course, some folks are a little uncomfortable having these conversations in a group setting. And so uh, with this particular chapter, we've got pretty much business as usual. This video, the PowerPoint, My Labs Plus, the quiz, and your checklist. Again, I always refer to the checklist to make sure that you're completing everything. I've noticed some of you seem to be accessing your labs maybe through a previous chapter. What happens with that, guys, is it doesn't give you credit for going to the lab on this chapter. And so just make sure you're clicking on every link in each chapter. For most of us, that's not been a problem, but I've noticed that for a couple folks. All right, just a couple disclaimers. Naturally, as I said, some folks are kind of uncomfortable with this topic. We still live in a society where we're talking about sexuality can kind of be considered taboo. And also, there's some topics in this particular chapter that may be considered controversial. And so just be mindful of that, and just remember it's in the name of education, as well as some of the graphics that you may see in the PowerPoint. Just a little disclaimer there. It's a very informative chapter, and you should have no problems with it. If you have any questions, as always, I'm just an email away. Guys, let's have a great week. Take care.